Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit 5 and today I'm going to show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. So let's get started. So first you will need to turn on your watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the crown button for a few seconds, basically until you see the HUAWEI logo on the screen, and then you can release the button, wait until it boots up basically, and here you should see the list of languages on the screen. Scroll through this list, find the language you would like to use, tap on it, and then you will see this page, basically telling you to download and install the HUAWEI Health application and use it to pair the devices together. You can also use the QR code from the watch to basically download the application, but I don't need that. I'm just going to use the App Store on our iPhone. And to download the app, you need to make sure that you have internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Then open the App Store, tap on search, tap on the search bar, type in HUAWEI Health, tap on search, and on the list of apps you should see HUAWEI Health application. Tap on the get button to download and install it, and after the application is done installing, you can open it to continue. Okay, application is done installing. We can tap on open, and here we need to select the service region. You can tap on here, scroll through the list, look for something you like, and tap on it to select it. Then tap on next to continue. Come on. Next, agree. Allow or deny the permission for notifications. It's not required, but if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch, you will need to allow it. And then once you see the health page, tap on devices, and here tap on add device. It will ask you to log in into HUAWEI account. So if you don't have one, make one by tapping on register and then use it to log in. I already have one, so I'm gonna enter my credentials. Okay, tap on login, and after you log in, it will basically kinda reboot the app. You can tap on next, agree, go through the ads. For some reason it will start popping the ads, and then you can tap on devices, add device, add device right here, allow the required permission, and you need to tap on add device again. Then app will start searching for the nearby devices. It should detect your HUAWEI Watch 5 or Watch Fit 5. Tap on connect. Confirm the pairing. Tap on pair. Allow or deny the permission for the notifications. And here we need to check the box. Tap on next. You don't need to check this one, but if you want to enable the fall detection, check the box. If you don't care, you can tap just next. Okay. Next. Continue. And if we have some more pop-ups about the permissions for location and contacts. This one, keep while using. Contacts, sure, we can share them. This is useful for like call notifications. And then we can also check the boxes for the updates. So if you want the watch to auto download the updates over Wi-Fi and auto install them, check the boxes, and it should do that when there's update available. Okay, and now you should see the device page with your Watch Fit 5, and if you go through the tutorial on your watch, you should be ready to use. Okay, and that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.